your family name will improve, no, in the Philippines. The placenta is right here at the right upper quadrant. That's the placenta. Right upper quadrant. There, grabe yung kaliyok baby. Oh, is moving. Paro kayo sa mga. Lagi-lagi brown yung ito. Okay, I'm ready.
He's already doing karate right now in the womb.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just like Caden was, punching and kicking.
Grabe kang lupa ng baby niya. Dapat pa silang hanapin ka ng kailaban ko na malinapot ko siya kasi ang isa. Abang ako mag-anaan doon sa una. Nakita sila itong
Oh, good thing we didn't buy that pink